To clean HEPA filter on Roborock Q7, first of all, we'll need to remove our dustbin. To do it, look on this front side of your robot where there's Roborock logo and click on those two buttons and pull the entire dustbin out. After that, you can find this instruction stickers, open the hatch where it is, and that way we'll be able to find our HEPA filter. You can remove the cover using your two fingers like this, and then we can remove the entire HEPA filter with this string. Now to clean it, it actually depends on a few things. You can use water to clean it, but I wouldn't recommend to clean it with water all the time. Only if it's really needed. Just decide it for yourself when you should clean it with water. Instead, I would just recommend to hit it above the trash bin when there's no need for a water, as cleaning it with water, basically any filter with water, may damage it, as all of the dust will just go inside of those recesses and then it will get eventually damaged. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.